Hello everyone, this is Palvi Rajgude. I am a graduate student here at Fresno State. I'm studying computer science and today I am going to give my take on what climate change really is, how it is affecting my environment personally and also as whole on the world. I've taken example of Fresno because I can see the effect of climate change around me and the impact of it around me itself. Also, I'm going to interview some of the people that I know from my graduate studies and their take on climate change and the heat and climate change. So let's go. Hi, as you can see, there is a crop field behind me, and there is not just one crop field, but there are actually many crop fields around Fresno. There is not just a crop field around Fresno, but there are many paddy fields too, because of which the trees, there are no trees firstly around Fresno, not much trees are there. The percentage of trees is very less. Because of such crop fields and the low amount of trees, the heat in Fresno is going a lot higher. What happened was, when I was coming back from Seattle, I was seeing a major difference from what Seattle was. Seattle was much cooler than Fresno, and I also noticed that the trees and the forests actually there were in Seattle. It was so good, the climate was so nice, the air was so fresher, the climate was so calmer, and so much wildlife that I could see. But while coming to Fresno, while landing into Fresno, I was seeing the climate of Fresno. The heat was increasing. People were starting to get sweat. I was starting to feel the heat, and there was. I also noticed after coming to Fresno that there is not much wildlife in Fresno, as opposed to there is also the amount of heat that is increasing day by day. I also talked to my neighbor, and she also explained to me. Because of the scorching heat that is happening day by day, the energy consumption is also increasing so much, because she cannot even turn on her cooler or AC, because her bill, her energy consumption or her electricity bill went to $300, and that is so much for a month. That is so much. She has to think before turning on AC. The reason why I am showing you Fresno as an example is because there's so much land is being used for agriculture that even Google is giving us excessive heat warning. Whenever I go to search for what is the temperature, it always has this excessive warning logo, as you can see here. Okay, so for me to take Fresno as an example was because there are very less amount of trees around me, and because of that I am experiencing that the heat is increasing so much. Fresno is just one city, but this is happening at global level, and there is not just the cause is not just less trees, but also the industries. They are giving out so many harmful gases that is also depleting our ozone layer, that is also trapping so many harmful toxic gases into our ozone, so that the temperature is rising, because of which the sea levels are rising, and which amounts to so much wildlife getting endangered, and there are many unthinkable things that are happening in our environment because of global warming. Now let's see some public opinion on what they think on climate change, and also let's see what they think about Fresno itself as their environment. Let's go. Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Actually, I'm recording a video for climate change. Can I have 2 minutes of your time?
Sure.
Yeah. How do you like it here?
Yeah, it's summer, right? So it's pretty hot compared to some other different states. It's a little hot. I feel that.
What do you think about Fresno's climate?
Fresno's climate, it feels like more like my home country, where India. It's like going to 110 Fahrenheit. It's a few days ago it's reached to 110, which is the record till last 10 decades. So one of my friends said it's the friend who lives in Fresno. She's mentioning it's reached that record. So it's pretty hot. Even we need to apply so much sunscreens to get through this. So it's pretty hot here.
What do you think about the air quality here?
Air quality, I'm not sure about the air quality here, but I do feel like we can feel fresh when there are more trees, and where there are no trees we can see particular difference in that. I can feel that here there is totally more of not polluted air, but while I was going on cycle, I can feel that more heat air coming through me, the windy air, hot winds. Yeah.
Can I ask you about your energy consumption? That is, how's your electricity bill look?
Oh yeah, that is also yeah. So when I moved to Fresno, I used to stay with my Indian friends. So in Missouri, we used to pay rent like a 120 for a whole month. For after coming here, it's totally changed. It's double the amount of the money we are paying in Missouri. So maybe because of the summer, but we are using more air conditioners, the coolers we are using, and the washing machine also, because within 1-2 days with the sweat condition we are having in Fresno, we are getting so much heat here. So we need to use the washing machine continuously. So there is so much to do with. I don't know why is it happening, but comparing to other states, Fresno is so much high heat.
Yeah. Thank you for your time. Do you have any
Yeah.
more comments about Fresno's climate and on general take on climate change?
Climate change, I'm not sure about the climate change, but suddenly it rains whenever there is more heat, you know, whenever there is a more heat. And I can also see while going on cycle, I can see some mirages while going on cycle. It's very hot winds. But what I've observed after coming here is more of cultivated land, and that too so many areas are not even for cultivation use. There are no trees, such things like that. So yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now we have seen a public opinion on how Fresno's heat is affecting their energy consumption and also their normal living environments. Let's take one more public opinion. Excuse me?
Hello.
Hi. I need your 2 minutes. I need to take your take on climate change. Can I have your 2 minutes?
Yeah, okay.
How do you feel about Fresno's climate?
Yeah, in the Fresno state, I can feel like India only. The hot conditions are increasing day by day. Every day we are using the air conditions, and every day we are using the air conditioning, and day by day increasing the hot conditions. So it's like India only, I feel.
So you mentioned you use hot air conditioner every day.
Yeah, every day we will use the air conditioning. It's like India. Yeah.
So
Here we can see the lot of heat in the Fresno state.
do you have any idea about global warming?
Yeah, actually I don't have an idea on the global warming, so I have to see the further days. So I have to see.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah. So as you can see, we have taken public opinion. Some people know about global warming and some people don't know about global warming. So the thing that we've understood is that it is common that people are facing heat because of low trees, and second thing is that the energy consumption is more, and these are the everyday routine things that we are experiencing in people's lives, everyday interruptions that are coming in people's life. It is going to increase more in the future when they don't have good air quality, and the heat will be scorching more, and the temperature at global level will rise more. So this calls to action, because there are also some people who don't know about global warming. They need to be educated about global warming and climate change, so that we can take action against it, both on a global level and both on a local level. So there are actually many people that don't even believe in global warming, that such a thing is happening. And also, as I'm volunteering at CCL, that is Citizens Climate Lobby, it means that we as citizens can make our voices heard about climate change to the political party leaders, and implement and enforce those changes on a local level, on an international level. So let's come together and make this change for our climate and for our mother nature. Thank you so much. Palvi Rajguru signing.